What's up guys? Welcome back to our Italy trip series and we are in
Venice.
Yes. And today we are traveling to this what you call Rialto Bridge now. That will be our first spot and it's morning 9 and you can see already the streets are buzzing. Yeah. And we'll show you the spots one by one. Our first spot will be the Rialto Bridge. Let's go. So guys, this is the famous Rialto Bridge of Venice. Isn't it beautiful? Still, it's very foggy actually. It's a little foggy today, but still looks good. I hope it becomes a little sunny and the weather becomes pleasant. It's a little cold, but it's good. And you can see that the water levels are actually not very good. So normally the water should have been somewhere here, but now it's gone almost 4 stairs down. Yeah, so that's quite low. Yeah.
It's not that low.
Yeah, it's not that low as we saw in the videos. Yeah. So this is the Rialto Bridge. So now we'll go to the top of Rialto Bridge and we'll see the view from there. Let's go. How do you find it?
Good.
It's good?
It's foggy, but
Foggy? So this is on top of the Rialto Bridge. And you can see that it's so foggy. It's very foggy. Oh my god. It's a big street like going on both sides of the bridge. Beautiful.
it's cold.
Now having breakfast at a cafe just besides the Grand Canal. Yeah. And what are we having? We are having bread, croissant, jam, butter, orange juice, and a latte, coffee latte. And all of this, one portion of this is for 9 euros. Yes?
Yeah.
Is it good? I think the croissant is good.
Croissant is good.
It doesn't look very attractive, but it tastes
very
good. Yeah.
And this is very soft. So
Yeah, and the bread is also very soft. Yeah, it's really good. Let's have our breakfast.
It's very sour.
Yeah, it's very sour. It's bitter. This juice, orange juice, it's too bitter. I think I'll put sugar in this. Yeah. So Anaka will explain you how to read the boat
Water
timetables.
transports.
Yeah, water transport timetables. Yes.
So here you can see this map. This is going thatwards and this one is going thiswards. The arrow mark, you can see that.
Yeah.
And here it will be written the station until where it is going. The same here. And here the timings. Like for 5 o'clock you have 3, for 6 o'clock you have 4, from 7 o'clock you have 5, until 12 o'clock.
Yes.
11:44.
Correct.
So
So
it's
now we
the-
have to go to St. Marco and we are at San Silvestro and the time is now almost 10:15. So
we
there's
have one at
there's a
10:22.
10:22. Yeah, that's how you have to read it. Super.
And taking this one day pass is very good.
Yes.
And in Venice everything is so expensive.
Yes. And you have to tap that pass over here.
They do.
You get that pass. Anaka will show you how to tap the pass. Yes. Yes. That's how you tap the pass and you go in. So that's how you can travel in the public transport. So this is route number 1, you can see. Huh? So I think Google Maps is the best choice here to travel with public transport. It shows you all routes and connections, just like a normal bus connection and stuff. It's only that it's waterways. Yeah, super. And this is the 24-hour pass that you get. Yeah, and it's like we took it yesterday at close to midnight, and it will be valid until today midnight. Yeah, cool. Are you enjoying, babes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Just that it's very foggy today.
And it's cold.
I wish it is a sunny day.
Yeah. Super. So we are on this street which is just besides the Santa Lucia railway station. So we came here to drop our bags for the day. Costed us €5 per bag. And this is the street. It's a busy street. There are a lot of crowd today. Yeah. And that's where the Santa Lucia station is. Yes, where this famous glass factories are.
You get very beautiful glass in Venice. When you come to Venice, please buy something made of glass because it's famous.
Yeah, and we'll go there and explore. We have read that you can blow your own glass and you can take it home. Of course, that's with a fee. So we are catching this 4.2 from this Googlier, and you can see this 4.2 goes to Murano. Yeah.
Welcome to Murano. So
Yes.
here you can find this most popular Murano glass factory and
glass factories. There are a lot
factories,
of them.
yeah. And you also get to experience how
Glass
to blow
blowing.
your glass. And I heard you can blow a glass for yourself and take home. I don't know how far it is possible, but let's go check it out.
Yeah, so we are going to visit this glass factory called, we'll try visiting, we'll check out the prices and all. This Mosaic glass factory, this is what we saw online, has the most reviews. They say that's the best glass factory in Murano. So it's an age-old tradition, and this Murano glass is very famous worldwide. It's an island that is off Venice. It's a little away from Venice, this Murano. So you can take this boat 4.2 that comes here to Murano. Yeah? Yeah, so we'll show you once we are there. The moment I said €1 glass shop, both of these ladies went running. Yeah. So this is one street in Murano Island where there are lots of glass shops. And one of them is this €1 glass shop. We are now taking the gondola ride. Yes. This costs 80 euros for one gondola and it takes you around for 30 minutes.
Don't worry, yeah. Be safe, be safe.
Fai nowadays the Italian television called the RAI, televisione italiana.
This is 400 years old building, guys. So you can ask them and then go. This half an hour is only there for you to take all the pictures. I'm also going to the front.
What do you have to say about the gondola ride?
It's good.
It's good? You enjoying it?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. So they told us some facts about the gondola ride, yeah? So we are doing the gondola ride and amazing facts about this city told by our captain. Yeah. So so this Venice city is actually made up of more than 118 islands. Yeah, and there are more than 400 bridges here.
Yeah. And some buildings are like 400 years old. It's a nice trip.
Yeah.
And that cost 80 euros for a gondola.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it takes
Four
you.
of you can go on that.
Yes. Yes.
And it takes half an hour.
Yeah. How many people can go? 5 maximum?
5 people, maximum.
Yeah. So 5 people can go maximum in the gondola. Yeah. And what is your name?
Roberto.
That's Roberto. Yeah. And he's from Venice. So we thank you, Roberto, for the gondola ride. It's really nice. Yeah, we enjoyed it. So that's about the gondola ride. You guys should surely try the gondola ride when you come to Venice. It's one of the must to do activities in Venice. And it's we came to know from him that this is a royal thing. This was the royal thing in the earlier times. So those who were royal, who were very rich, they used to do gondola rides. Yeah. To see now is the Bridge of Sighs. I don't know why it's called that way, but it's called so.
That.
Yes. So guys,
That was Venice, yeah, for you all.
yes, and we'll soon come up with another video, the next part
Yeah,
that will be from.
will be from Milan.
Yes. So hope you guys like this video. You got a lot of information, tips and tricks, and Venice is a beautiful place.
It's a very beautiful place.
And we would also recommend that stay for at least 2 days in
2
Venice.
days, yeah, you have to relax in that place actually.
Yes, we spent actually very
Very
less
less
time.
time.
Yeah, and it was not enough to cover all places as you saw in the video. But yes, you guys go there for 2 days and enjoy all of the places.
well and come back
Yes.
with lot of memories.
Yes, and go when it's sunny and pleasant. Of course,
The
we
Venice color itself, it will change when you go on a sunny day.
yes, absolutely. So when we went, it was all foggy.
Yeah.
You saw that. But later on in the afternoon, around afternoon, it cleared up. But the morning, all those canals and those bridges and all that were those times it was all foggy. Yeah. So until our next video,
It's bye from us.
bye bye.